What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Bristol.
When did you move here?
I moved last week.
Do you like your new place?
Yes, it's quiet and clean.
Where did you live before?
I lived in Manchester.
Was it a big city?
Yes, very big and busy.
Do you live alone now?
No, I live with my cousin.
Is your cousin nice?
Yes, she is very kind.
Do you have a job here?
Not yet. I'm looking.
What kind of job do you want?
I want to work in a cafe.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
Do you drink tea too?
Yes, but not every day.
Is there a good cafe around here?
Yes, there's one near the park.
Do you go there often?
Only once so far.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking.
What is your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really. Do you?
Yes, I like spicy food a lot.
That's interesting.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, every Saturday.
Can I come with you next time?
Sure, that would be fun.
Do you know anyone else here?
Just my cousin.
Would you like to meet my friend Anna?
Yes, I'd love to.
Do you go to the gym?
No, but I walk every day.
Do you walk in the morning?
Yes, before breakfast.
Do you wake up early?
Around 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
At 10 p.m. usually.
Do you sleep well here?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies.
Do you have a favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
Do you read books too?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What kind of books do you read?
I read short stories.
Do you speak other languages?
No, only English.
Do you want to learn a new one?
Yes, maybe Spanish.
Are you studying anything now?
Yes, I'm learning English grammar.
Do you use a computer or phone?
Mostly my phone.
Do you have Wi-Fi at home?
Yes, it's fast.
Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, every evening.
What do you watch?
English lessons and music videos.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock.
Do you listen to music when you cook?
Yes, it makes it fun.
Do you sing too?
Only in the shower.
Haha, me too.
That's funny.
Do you want to go to the park later?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Is it big?
Yes, and very green.
Do you have a bike?
No, not yet.
Do you want one?
Yes, I love cycling.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I want a cat.
Cats are cute.
Yes, they are.
Do you like dogs too?
Yes, but they need more care.
Do you go shopping nearby?
Yes, there is a small store.
Is it cheap?
Yes, and fresh.
Do you eat fruits every day?
I try to.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Do you cook rice often?
Yes, it's easy to make.
Do you eat bread in the morning?
Yes, with cheese or jam.
Do you drink milk?
No, I prefer juice.
What juice do you like?
Orange juice is my favorite.
Do you want to cook something together?
Yes, that would be fun.
Can we cook pasta?
Sure, I have a good recipe.
Great, let's do it tomorrow.
Perfect.
Do you have a pan and pot?
Yes, I do.
Should I bring anything?
Maybe some tomatoes.
Okay, I'll get them from the market.
Thanks a lot.
Do you have a table for dinner?
Yes, and 2 chairs.
Do you like candles at dinner?
Yes, they are cozy.
Do you eat dessert after dinner?
Sometimes.
What dessert do you like?
I love ice cream.
Me too, let's buy some.
Good idea.
Do you eat chocolate?
Yes, but not too much.
Do you drink water a lot?
Yes, I always carry a bottle.
That's healthy.
Yes, I try to be.
Do you like your kitchen?
Yes, it's small but clean.
Is the bathroom nice?
Yes, it's modern.
Do you have hot water always?
Yes, no problem.
Do you clean every day?
No, just twice a week.
Do you use a washing machine?
Yes, I have one.
That's useful.
Yes, very.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, they are calm.
Do you like snow?
I love snow.
Did it snow in your old city?
Sometimes in winter.
Do you have warm clothes?
Yes, ready for cold days.
Do you want to visit the library?
Yes, I like quiet places.